أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Online Muslim Madrasa. Learn Quran and Islamic knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Alhamdulillah, hopefully everything going good. So today, inshallah al-aziz, we will continue the lesson number 1. We are learning in this lesson Arabic alphabet. So today, inshallah al-aziz, we will learn next two Arabic alphabet. So first one is Sin. Seen. Yes. So what is the exit point of seen? When you will be touch your tip of tongue behind your lower teeth. Touch your tip of tongue behind your lower teeth. Seen. Its exit point similar to previous letter we have done in the last lesson. Za. Za and Seen has same exit point. So Seen sound is also sharp and strong. Seen. Its exit point is very important because its sound match with other Arabic alphabet. If you didn't focus on the exit point, you will be match sound with other Arabic alphabet like Sa, Sod. So that's why this Arabic alphabet exit point is very important. Be remember, you will be touch your tip of tongue behind your lower teeth. Seen. And its sound is soft. So first you will be touch your tip of tongue behind the lower teeth, and then after that you will be convert your lips in smiley face. Look me. Seen. You can pronounce very easily. Okay. And then if we will discuss the shape of seen, that is also very important. Seen has 3 cups. So 2 cups is small size and 1 cup is large size. Okay. So be remember, when you will be see these 3 cups, you will be pronounce the seen sound. Yes, and Seen has no dot. Be remember, Seen has no dot. It's without dot. So yes, you will be practice. Inshallah, you will be able to read very easily. Now come to next Arabic alphabet. The next alphabet is Sheen. Sheen. So what is the exit point of Sheen? When you will be first part of your tongue touch to roof of your mouth. You will be touch first part of your tongue. This part. Don't tip of tongue. The first part. Its first part. Touch roof of your mouth. Upper portion of your mouth. Sheen. Yes, this sound you can pronounce very easily because this alphabet sound is not matched with any other Arabic alphabets. Yes, its sheen sound is also light and strong. And then how you can pronounce very easily light sound? You will be convert your lips in smiley face. Sheen. Yes. And now I will discuss the shape of Sheen. The shape of Sheen is very important because mostly students did confuse in the identify the shape of Sheen. So when you will be see the 3 cups, the 2 cup size is small, 1 is large, and above these 3 cups has 3 dots. Okay, That is the important. Sheen has 3 cups and also sheen has 3 dots top of the letter. Sheen. Yes, that is the difference between the shape of sheen and seen. Sheen has 3 dot and seen has no dot. Okay, you will be to practice of these 2 Arabic alphabet. Inshallah Aziz, you will be able to read very easily. So inshallah in next lesson we will continue the next Arabic alphabet. So be remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.